Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A bunch of stuff going on in the shop today. We are doing everyone's favorite M-car maintenance. We are doing rod bearings on a E46 M3. Yay! It's snowing out, so I got a few last minute things I want to button up on my car basically before it's going to go away for winter. And Mike's out of town, but his new Wisefab rear trailing arms came in for the E46, so we're going to show you guys a big brake kit we got for that. We're going to be using StopTech ST40s, 4 of them, so you guys aren't going to want to miss that. The kit's going to go live pretty soon. We just got to do one last mock-up on Mike's car, but I think I'm going to wait till Wednesday when he gets back because he's very, very excited about this. But in the meantime, I guess let's start with the E46 M3. Just like every rod bearing job, we got the gold standard here of ARP bolts, and we're going to be using King bearings. King is what we've used in all of our race cars now. We've had really good luck with them. They've treated us well, so we like to use King. You can use any bearing you like. Most people have their personal preferences: VAC, BC, King, ALC. There's a bunch of bearings. You can't go wrong with any of them. I think everyone will argue about what bearing to use, but I think everyone actually agrees that if you own an S motor, you should do them anyway, no matter what you use. So Kyle just got started here. We're supporting the engine, and then basically everything underneath comes out. So we'll just drop the subframe, drop the oil pan, pop in these bad Larrys, and then throw it all back together and do an alignment. So Kyle's about to he's just gotten started on it, but we'll check back in when we're at the fun part of actually putting bearings in. The rest is just unbolting the boring stuff. So here we go. Alright, so we're up in here. Kyle's ripping off. Super complicated job here. It's 2 bolts. Can you make sure you get it there? I was being sarcastic about it.
Well, that's how you get the cap off.
Oh, wow, look at you're such a pro.
Without having to stick a pry bar or anything up in there.
Alright, so this is the last one, so we'll move this to the table and we'll take a look at all of them. Alright, so we got all 6 out, and this is definitely a prime example of why you do rod bearings on M cars. If we could focus and zoom in. Basically everyone looks like this. It's just really bad wear spots. Not looking good. But that's why we're here, replacing them. The new King bearings. This is what they should look like basically forever, because it's never actually supposed to touch. That's the whole point of having the oil in the middle. And this camera can't focus. I wonder why it can't focus. It's like little bearings.
The camera's got ADD just like me.
It's like, I don't know what to focus on. Maybe it's the white towel, but yeah, I mean, all 6 of them are like this. Good thing we decided to do it now, and this is pretty good. This is, I mean, the car's got, I think, 100,000 miles on it, right around there. So she's time. All right, Kyle, now you get to put these back in. Super fun process. Don't have too much fun today. I'm gonna get my roller for the money shot here. Bingo bango. Oh yeah, look at how nice and... Well, actually the camera's focusing pretty good right now. Alright, so Senor Kyle finished putting in all the rod bearings. Give her one good little... Oh yeah, compression, baby. Power. All right, slow down, you're making too much power. All right, so new oil pan gasket, cleaned off oil pan. Time to throw her back in. And then we get to play musical cars because the alignment lift is taken with a bunch of crap underneath it. So throw us together and play some musical cars.
You're at the circus.
Scurry back to my office to do drawings in GD&T. Yay! It's dimensional tolerances. So like, I'm telling Jack how much he's allowed to screw up each hole. He gets 0.005 thousandths of an inch. It's pretty good. All right, the M3 is all finished up. She is on to her new owner. He's gonna be super happy. She rips. Crazy what these cars are worth nowadays. One time, Mike and I talked about buying one instead of Mike modifying this. And we were like, nah, an E46 M3 isn't worth 12 grand. We should just build a 330 because that'll be way more fun. And here we are. We've spiraled into this. So wheels are off, brakes are off because we're working on a new project. So let's go take a look at that. Kyle, what's your line again?
Like and subscribe or else.
Killing it, or else. Wow, really threatening him there. So this is the rear trailing arm from a E46 with our dual caliper bracket, and these are the new Wisefab trailing arms. So we're one of the first people in the country to get these, and immediately we've done this to it. So we've made two brackets for using this Willwood Ultralight versus the StopTech ST40. So tune in next time. We're gonna go through a deep dive of this and how to throw this on the car. And we'll probably throw it on Mike's car. I think the only thing we gotta do before is just, there's a little weld in for the reinforcement where the adjustment is. Yeah, that's apparently required because BMWs are made of tissue paper. So we'll be doing that, but plug and play, right guys? It's just as easy as that. All right, Kyle, what's your line?
Like and subscribe or else.
Just killing them with the oil. God damn it. All right, guys. See you in the next one.
Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow. All the fake fans gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo. Smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in vibrato. I can't hold